Well, this morning we have two presentations. The first is by Josh Springer to tell us about the Colorado Asphalt Pavement Association Award this morning. Josh.
Thank you. Good morning, Commissioners. Josh Springer, Construction Group Manager for Engineering. This is my Asset Manager, Rob Hale. Morning. Thank you for the opportunity to speak today. I'd like to recognize a project that reflects exceptional teamwork, innovation, and responsible stewardship of taxpayer dollars. And I'm pleased to share that the Colorado Asphalt Pavement Association, or CAPA, also recognized our project by awarding us the Best in Colorado Asphalt Pavement Award for Mesa County's 2025 surface treatment project. This award was presented on February 12th at the 32nd Annual Rocky Mountain Asphalt Conference over in Denver. CAPA recognized excellence across 13 project categories, from rural highways to commercial development projects. And Mesa County, alongside our contractor A-1 Chipseal, was awarded the Best in State in the surface treatment category. Our $2.8 million project treated 132 roads across Mesa County. In total, we completed surface treatments on more than 50 lane miles of residential streets, high volume collectors, and over 60 cul-de-sacs. This work represents not just miles improved, but neighborhoods preserved and infrastructure extended at a fraction of the cost of overlays and reconstruction. This recognition is also especially meaningful because it validates a strategic shift that we made in 2023 to develop and manage a pavement management program from within our engineering department. This award illustrates that the decision is paying dividends. Several key factors contributed to our award. First, we've been utilizing Pavement Condition Index, or PCI assessments, to make decisions, data-driven decisions, ensuring that we apply the right treatment to the right road at the right time. We've also expanded our toolbox to include cape seals and slurry seals, which stretch our limited dollar in the face of high asphalt costs. This plan, development, project management, and inspection was all handled in-house. So with the exception of material testing by Roxall Consulting Group, we significantly reduced third-party consultant costs, ensuring that more of our dollars went directly into improving our roads. This project also showcased operational excellence. At peak production, we had 70 personnel across 7 specialized crews, and they all operated in a tightly coordinated sequence. A-1 Chipseal completed all the work ahead of schedule with minimal citizen complaints. And I believe that's a testament to both their technical expertise and our public communication. And lastly, we successfully managed complex logistics throughout this project, including work at the signalized intersection of 32.5 and D.5 near Rocky Mountain Elementary School. Through close coordination and careful scheduling, we minimized disruption for students, parents, and the surrounding community. I wanted to read a quote from Tom Peterson, the executive director of CAPA. He stated that this award is well-deserved and speaks to the commitment and quality from our contractor A-1 Chipseal and the excellent and oversight and partnering from Mesa County. Again, I'm happy to highlight that this award reflects strong collaboration, but more importantly, it demonstrates that only 3 years into our new pavement management program, it's delivering measurable savings, extending pavement life, and setting a new benchmark for efficient roadway management in Mesa County. And here shortly, you guys will be reviewing our next step forward with our 2026 surface treatment project. And while it might not bring another trophy or statewide recognition, it will bring the same measurable value. Commissioners, thank you again for supporting our infrastructure. We are proud to bring this recognition home to Mesa County, and even more proud of the team that made it happen.
Yeah, thank you so much for bringing the trophy home and your diligent work and your accomplishment. And it's great to see it right here in Mesa County and Team Mesa and A-1 Chipseal. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.